guys, Life of Marz here for Vlogmas Day 7. Today we don't have any school, so you guys won't get to see my friends today or tomorrow, but you will get to see on Monday. But today we're going to open up our advent calendar again, so let's go. Okay, so let's find Day 7. There it is. Already found it. Let me just... Hey, come on. There we go. Okay, I got it out, and it looks like there's a Boba Fett. So we eat this Star Wars one. Good as always, so I love that chocolate. There we go, guys. So we got Boba Fett. I'm gonna go work for my grandpa right now, so you guys can maybe watch a little bit. Let's see. Hey guys, I'm cutting wood with my grandpa. As you can see, I've stacked all of these. So we're doing good. I'm tired though, and it's cold. Hey guys, I'm back from working, and I got paid about like $21, but it was pretty fun. We got to work. I made some cool time lapse with my grandpa, so I think that was pretty cool. But hope you guys are having a good Saturday. So it's finally the weekend. Heck yeah! Sorry I uploaded yesterday's video like this morning. It wasn't uploading yesterday, so I just tried in the morning, so I got tired. So. Hey guys, I'm back. As you saw earlier, I took a shower after I did some chores, and now I don't smell like smoking wood because I was working outside all day, and now I'm just wearing pajamas like my Jurassic Work ones because I'm not going anywhere else today. So we're just gonna do my question day in here because my mom's been cleaning. So today's question day is, what's your favorite Christmas movie? So just say in the comments, tell me what your favorite Christmas movie is, and that's all I need to know. But here's my Stranger Things collection again. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Guys, I got a new pop for my Stranger Things collection. Guys, my new pop is right here. It's I had Steve Scoops Ahoy, which is awesome. And now my new Robin Scoops Ahoy one came in, and now it's awesome. Like how it says you suck and you rule, just like in the show. Yeah, so now I have the Scoops Ahoy next to the Scoops Ahoy ice cream and then Demogorgon. And my bag. Guess what, guys? It still hasn't snowed yet. I'll let you know if it does. Yeah, no snow yet. But I think right now I'm gonna go play some Xbox with my brother, so let's do that. We're on a walk. So I guess we can talk about some things, I guess, because I just want to know. How are you guys? No, but seriously, thanks to everyone that subscribed to me. You guys got me large. I never thought you could even hit that point. It's nice to know that people care. But I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. You don't even know. I think you guys all are. I do Vlogmas because I want people to see how my life is, and people like Yzma, you can meet her, and I want my friends to have a chance to do something. But thanks guys for subscribing. If you like this video, turn on notifications so you can see every video. So yeah, thanks guys. I'm really grateful about it, so you can tell. But thanks. My loves walks. She always tugs me around. Yeah, guys, guess what? It's only 3 and it's already freaking sun's going down. Welcome to Wisconsin Daylight Savings. Oh, here we go. We're going to the park.